I'm always wearing a suit.
Yeah.
I'm hot. I'm hot, especially during the summer. So what would I love more than to know that I'm going to a place, I'm waking up in the morning, I'm driving in my air-conditioned car, and I get to a place where I know that I can just change out of my suit into some shorts during my lunchtime and just take a quick dip. Just take a quick dip, yeah. There's going to be shower facilities, there's going to be steam room facilities, saunas. You know, it's actually going to make me want to get up in the morning to go to work.
Hi Divya. So we would like to understand what is the demand of commercial properties in Dubai right now, since there are so many residential projects already. Many of my clients have bought their houses, they have invested in different properties, but we would also like to understand what is the future of commercial retail spaces and office spaces in Dubai.
So commercial in Dubai real estate, currently if we look at the projects that we have and the new ones that are launched, commercial currently in Dubai real estate, it's on fire.
Right.
And if we look at the market, it's just the beginning for the commercial office spaces and retail market. Now when we look at the figures for Q2 2025, commercial spaces in Dubai real estate crossed around $8.44 billion sale. That's
amazing.
I believe more than the residential sales that we had in Q2.
True.
Now when we look at what's the growth of commercial in the market, the commercial spaces and retail spaces have shown an average of 93% growth year on year.
That's massive.
Right? So when we look at the numbers for commercial spaces in the real estate market, especially in a thriving market like Dubai, residential does really good because there's no other market who gives you a residential ROI of 6 to 8%. But when we look at the commercial rentals for the existing projects in the market, the rentals go even 15%. So the commercial office spaces and the retail, they have a very different way of operations because the supply is very limited.
Very limited, true.
And even if we look at the Dubai Vision master plan that we keep on discussing all the time, when we look at the master plan, the spaces that are allocated for commercial, they are again very limited. So customers who are investing in a commercial project right now, they have a very big opportunity for earning a capital appreciation and ROI because these are the units which will be there in a very limited number. The supply would be very limited.
So as you mentioned, Divya, about the numbers where people have earned a massive capital appreciation. So we have seen this happening only in commercials.
Correct.
Secondly, what we have seen is that Divya, mostly the market trends are that developers, even inside their communities in their projects, they are only leasing. They are not actually selling the commercial. So they are trying to keep that real wealth to themselves. So we would like to understand what Samana has to offer in terms of retails or office spaces for international investors and even the clients who would like to set up their businesses even for end use and even for good ROI. So what does Samana has to offer for commercial?
So we have couple of projects in Majan, but before I bring my focus to what projects of office spaces and retail we have done, I would just give a little bit insight on the location as well because not many people are familiar with Majan as a location. So when we look at Majan, which is right next to Al Barari community, bang on Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road, opposite Global Village, that's one of the communities that's surrounded by luxury and even ultra luxury communities of townhouses and villas.
Right.
A more organized location which has better connectivity to Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road, and Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road will have the future tram, which is the Green Spine project. So Majan, we have done couple of commercial projects including Business Park. Barari Heights is a mix of retail and residential. We have done a complete commercial building which includes only office spaces and retail, Barari Avenue, and then we have series of Samana Business Park. So we had launched Business Park last year. We did a Business Park launch 1 and 2 this year as well. Now when it comes to the commercial portfolio that Samana has, I mean, I have said this many times to my clients, even my agents who are working closely with Samana for residential and commercial projects. Commercial properties starting from, let's say, office spaces of 900 to 1000 square feet. There are certain units which has an area of 1200, 1500 as well, with a price point starting from just 2.3 million. That too with the 8% of payment plan. I mean, as I said, I have already communicated this to my clients previously and the agents. Find me a similar product or a better product than Barari Avenue or the commercial spaces that we have right now in Business Park. There is no project in the market at the moment which will give a client a handsome area of 1000 to 1100 square foot, priced between 2.3, 2.4 with a 8 years of payment plan, on which you have post handover with 0.5%, which means you can take handover of the commercial property that's too much in demand, limited supply. You just pay 70% of that amount during the construction, and post handover you pay just 0.5%.
And I think that too, they can just lease it out and they can earn double of it almost.
Exactly. So by the time the project is getting handed over, you can either resell in the market at an appreciated cost, or you can rent it out, that same commercial property. And when it comes to the rental for a commercial property, that's not like a residential. You don't rent the commercial property for 1 year. When you lease a commercial property, you lease it for minimum 3 years, 5 years, and maximum for 10 years. So you're secured with your rental income for next 5 to 10 years. So you don't have to renew your rental contract again and again like how we do in residential project, because commercial spaces goes on lease for minimum 3, maximum 10.
So Divya, my clients are very keen on understanding Samana Barari Avenue, since you have all retail spaces, you have offices inside the building with amenities on the podium.
Correct.
So what are the starting prices, what are the sizes, and what is the kind of ROI that we are looking at in Barari Avenue?
Okay, so let's just understand the project Barari Avenue. We can see we have 3 levels of basement parking. Ground floor will have retail plus 3 levels of podium where we'll have the complete retail. So within the office building, we have 3 levels of retail where client can even buy the retail space for his grocery, supermarket, salon, or any kind of business that he wants to run. First floor, we have covered amenities exactly the way that we have done in residential. So Samana, again, as a developer, is known for bringing in lot of amenities in a residential tower, but when it comes to the office spaces, again, we are not compromising anything on the amenity. So you have a leisure pool, you have sit-out section, outdoor gym, sitting arrangements for employees right next to the park. You again have a sit-out section here. So the entire first floor will have office spaces plus the amenities, and then we have 25 floors of habitable office spaces plus the roof on the top. Now when it comes to the starting price, so we had certain office spaces that were sized between 500 to 600 with a starting price of 1 million, then 600 to 700 area of office spaces that went to 1.5, 1.6. Currently the units that we have in Barari Avenue are sized between 900 to 1100, pricing from 2.3 to 2.5 million with the 8 years of payment plan.
So Mark, there are how many retail spaces in total and how many office spaces in Barari Avenue?
So I actually love this building, right? Very simply, because you have 87 retail units, okay? You have 25 floors, okay? With 300
office spaces,
okay? Now, that's not what's exciting about this building, guys. Jesus, you know how many offices I've worked in since I've been here for the last 13 years?
Yeah.
I've never been to an office where there's been an outdoor swimming pool. And not just any outdoor swimming pool. It's not just one, it's 1, 2, 3, right? They have outdoor chill out areas, okay? Yoga areas, outdoor gyms, and a huge swimming pool. I mean, listen, let me be honest, right? I've been in Dubai now for what? I want to say 13 years. Coming up 13 years this year. I'm always wearing a suit.
Yeah.
I'm hot. I'm hot, especially during the summer. So what would I love more than to know that I'm going to a place, I'm waking up in the morning, I'm driving in my air-conditioned car, and I get to a place where I know that I can just change out of my suit into some shorts during my lunchtime and just take a quick dip. Just take a quick dip, yeah. There's going to be shower facilities, there's going to be steam room facilities, saunas. You know, it's actually going to make me want to get up in the morning to go to work.
Right.
You know, that outdoor gym alone, I'm usually up at 5 o'clock in the morning. I go to the gym at 6.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I don't have to worry about any of that because I know when I wake up and I head to work, I can do all of that. I can have my suit in my office.
Yeah.
Whilst I go down, use the gym, take a quick swim whilst the sun isn't absolutely incinerating me, and then go back to work. And then during lunch, I can go and have another swim. I mean, this building's incredible. Another thing about, on a serious note, another thing about commercial units, I know it was discussed before, but I want to emphasize on it. There is such a scarcity of office retail spaces available. I remember back in 2022 when I had so many inquiries coming to me for retail and commercial units. There's not enough supply for the amount of demand that there is at the moment. I mean, with all of the taxation in Europe and, you know, there are more and more investors coming over from Europe and Asia and investing in Dubai because it is literally a central hub to the world. Right. So them having their headquarters out here, I don't know if you've ever noticed this, but if you look at Google, Microsoft, IBM, all of these major corporations have their headquarters here. Why? Because they know that if they need to have a corporate global meeting, it's easier to fly everybody from everywhere around the world into Dubai than it is to have it in New York or London or Singapore. You know, so Dubai really is the hub of the world, the central hub of the world, and more businesses are choosing to move their headquarters out here. And the only way that they can possibly do that is if they have the ability to have the space available. So this is an incredible project, and I'd be very surprised if there weren't some agencies out there that would come to us and want to underwrite these projects, right, before they've even launched. Okay, we've had that on many cases with other of our projects as well. But I also feel that commercial is an area that Samana will be building on as we move into the future, because there is so much demand for commercial property, like I said. So yeah, incredible investment. So guys, if you're looking to bring your business out to Dubai, or you're looking to, you know, start a new business here, maybe you're looking to get into having a retail space for yourself, come and visit us. I mean, we're one of the developers out here that are really going to be focusing on, you know, the commercial space, the commercial market, and this is just an example of what we will be building. So imagine world-class amenities at your place of work, okay? Having easy accessibility to Dubai through major roads like Al Khal, Mohammed bin Zayed, okay? So being strategically located for your office is going to be healthy for you, your business, and your startup plans in Dubai. Come down, have a chat with us, and again, we'd be more than happy to service you. But again, I'm gonna be honest, you need to be fast, because if you're not fast, you're gonna lose out on your opportunity. And I mean, look, I don't know what we're gonna be building next, okay? But if it is commercial, get involved first.